Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk about Appsmith. Appsmith is one of the open source developer tool that helps you rapid application development. So within your organization, if you want to build dashboards the data is coming from certain databases or data sources, and then maybe a approval mechanism. So for that, if you don't know much of a coding and you don't want to build something from scratch, you can use Appsmith for that. It comes with very minimal license cost as well. Automation Anywhere also has some partnership with Appsmith, and they have integrated within their platform. There are two aspects to it. Either you can use Appsmith standalone or you can use it along with Automation Anywhere. So from these two aspects I wanted to show you. So once you visit this URL, aisolutions.automationanywhere.com, you'll get the option to sign up. So remember, there was one more platform like ai.automationanywhere.com, where it was an integrated with Odin platform to build your custom agents, like AI agents, right? So similar to that, this is for building your front-ending applications. So aisolutions.automationanywhere.com, sign up here. I have already done that part. So as soon as you will sign up, you'll see a landing page like this, and where you can create your new application package workflow, and you can also import existing applications or workflows, or you can choose from list of available templates as well to get started. Like if you don't want to build something from scratch, you can choose these templates which are closely matching to your requirement. For example, just if you want to try something like crypto live tracker, to-do list. So what I have done is I have created one application. So you just click on create new application, name your application, and start building it right away. So what I'll do is I'll go and show you the one that I was building. So I was just trying out my hands. So random quotes is my application name, and what I did is I just grab a dummy JSON API, and through that API I connected this form. And here you will see every time you run this application, you'll see a different quote, a random quote that's getting generated. Let me show it to you in a preview mode. So wherever you go with all your heart. Like if I say try another, it will load the next random quote, right? Very simple. I just wanted to demonstrate like how you can build and how quick you can build these kind of applications. So obviously this is not something production grade application. It was just a demo of the concept, how you can use form and other elements, right? Now let me introduce to you one of the AI marketplace. Looking to hire top tier AI developers on demand, or maybe you are an AI expert looking for paid gigs, then you need to know about this platform, the ultimate marketplace for AI talent and solution. Let me show you how it works. So this platform is Botpool AI. It's a freelance marketplace and platform where companies can hire expert AI developers for short-term projects, long-term gigs, or even to build custom AI solutions. You can also access pre-built AI models that developers lists, from chatbot to custom trained LLM. The world of AI is growing faster than traditional hiring can keep up. If you're a business leader or a startup founder, you need agile, skilled help, whether it's fine-tuning a language model or building a custom model agent. And for AI developers, Botpool offers new way to monetize your skill beyond 9-to-5 job, build your reputation, work on real projects, and grow your portfolio. Botpool is perfect for companies that want to hire AI developers without full-time commitment, AI engineers and data scientists looking for freelance work, creators who build custom AI tools, bots, or agents and want to sell them as a service or a product. Getting started is quite simple. You simply sign up. Once you sign up, verify your emails, log into the platform, and simply get started. So if you're a business, browse talent or post your project, review portfolios that you get, chat with developers, and kick off in days. If you are an AI developer, create a profile, add your services or pre-built tools, start receiving job requests or applications. Whether you are hiring or freelancing, go check out Botpool.ai and explore the future of AI talent and tools. Now let's get back to the video. So let me go back. So if I click here, edit, and when I click edit, so I get three options. One is queries, one is another is JS. You can add your JS JavaScript logic, and then UI layer. So in UI layer, if you click on new UI element, you get these type of elements which you can pick for your application. You get code scanner as well, map, progress bar, rating, sliders, video element. So you can drag and drop within your form. The one very fascinating feature is like JSON form. You get JSON form. Like if you're extracting certain information, or you're receiving certain information from your response, or API response, or some other response as a JSON, you can directly patch into the JSON form. That is really cool feature I liked about it. And then there's a table. You can map your data source directly to a table. So it is very quick. So what I did is I just drag dropped one form element, and within form element I have two text boxes, one for just random quotes name. I could have taken label also here, but I've just done the text input form, and then I have one button to try it out. On click of this button, I'm calling my API. So if you go to queries, so this queries of like random quotes is my API. If I open this, let me click here. So as you can see, it is just a get request to dummyjson.com quotes random. So it is just retrieving me a random quote every time I run this query. I'll get a random quote, and that quote is getting displayed on the form. Go to form element and the text here. Just see over here, I have added random quotes dot data, and from that data I'm displaying quote key, because that's where my quote is coming from. So yeah, I mean, just drag and dropped. I went to a API. I added one API, and within API I have just configured it with a get method. You can do it all other methods. It's similar to using your Postman and then binding it to with your app front end. Now imagine if you have got other use cases. So first of all, just understand it. You can build your applications. You can build the UI that connects to your database using API or another data sources. So you'll be able to use queries, which are SQL queries, and then JavaScript. So these are the two things you can use to build your application, and you can refer for more docs.appsmith.com. I'll provide the link in the description. You can easily get started. It's free to get started, and with limited options, limited functionality, you can try this out. And then if you feel you want to go for a paid version, you can just go for that. And kind of use cases it cater to, on their website they've listed what you can do is like you can build a project management tool for your internal team. You can build expense tracker. You can build any kind of a dashboard that you want to display, all dynamic. So and so forth. There are many such applications. They are shown in the use case, and then you get to see a lot of templates, so you can get started very easily with that. You don't have to build anything from scratch, even within Appsmith. Within Automation Anywhere, I have accessed it using Automation Anywhere. Let me go back here on the home page, and this is my app. What you can do is, like, if you go to your app, you see option here, staging and production. So right now we are testing, like we are in the staging environment. I choose staging, and then if I click on deploy, right, it will show me the application that is deployed. You can see the URL change now, and at this URL my application is visible, or it works. If I just click here, it's already deployed and accessible in this environment. I'm not sure why production it's coming here, but we can check that. So let me refresh it again and try to access it once more. Staging, you can connect to Git as well, and deploy. So there's some problem, not sure, maybe somewhere we need to change, but yeah, my application is running, so I'm more than happy. So if you go back here, you can share this with your team. You can team members, or you can just share the URL so that anybody will be able to access it. You can manage the access and permissions and all that stuff. Let me see here once again, what are the deployment options available to us. I believe connect to Git repository and currently deployed. So this is how you build an application. So you can see the sizing, like in mobile, how it will be viewed. So you can tweak and adjust for all the devices, right? I'll keep full width for now. And then just comment below the video if you want more detailed video on this Appsmith, how to use other features, how to build a complete full-fledged application, or I'll be more than happy to walk you through. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.